OMG carpet cleaning here. We're in Suwanee today doing a commercial job. This is a commercial Berber, as most commercial carpet is Berber. Carpet's in pretty decent shape. It's obviously a little bit of a cubicle farm, as you can see. A couple spots here and there. Kind of sporadic throughout the facility here. This is a $1,000 job. The worst carpet is actually back here, and I'm not sure what they use this room here for. As you can see, quite a bit of, I have no idea what all that red stuff there is. Spills here. Debris there. So even this part's not that bad, but this is the worst part of the carpet in the place. Like I said, it's about $1,230, $1,240. $1,000 job. This is a company in this suite, this second floor suite, are moving down to the first floor, and I've got this leased out to somebody that's moving in this week. So we're cleaning the carpet for them. So there's several, I don't know, 6 or 8 outlying offices, and then 20 or so cubicles. There's a big spot up here next to this outlet. It's like a spill of some kind. A couple of these, I have no idea what these are here. There's drag marks right there. This is probably the worst office. Not sure what they had going on there. There's another office that had like a, I think this is it. A couple spills, spots. Like I said, with the exception of that red stuff, most of the stuff is just black, which is probably from previous cleanings or spot cleaners or something sticky. Boardroom here, conference room here, looks like it's in pretty good shape. So like I said, it's about $1,240. Get this knocked out. I guess it's like the break room, maybe a little bit of traffic coming out of the break room there. So we'll get started on this and see how she looks. Shoot you the after video. Alright, just a little after 3:02 exactly. We just finished up this $1,000 commercial job. Everything came out really well. You're going to see some darker spots, some discolored spots. I just got done vacuuming it and retreating a couple spots. So it's going to be damp. As you see, there was a big spot there. This area came out pretty well. Those drag marks were as expected. But those spots that were there came out. There wasn't much in here. I don't remember, lights are off. Doing a quick walkthrough so we can get paid here. A couple spots they were in the hallway here. Retreated. Everything should lighten up and even out as it dries. These are all spots that were just recently treated again. As I vacuumed, this was the worst room. Came out really well. There are still some damp areas in here. Not only did I have to load it up, I also had to retreat a couple of times with the handy dandy spot cleaner. Most of the red came out, as you can see there. That spot there is still a little red, but everything else looks good. Again, more retreated spots. So that's it. Light for this commercial job. We used about 10 gallons of ready-to-use cleaner. Maybe 9, probably closer to 10. Used about 10 gallons. We'll just assume we used 10 gallons of cleaner. Again, everything came up very well. And it's got a nice smell to it. So it's all ready for the tenants to move in, whatever day they move in this week. It'll be dry probably in the next hour or so. Because this is commercial. Most of it's already dry. It's just the spots I just recently retreated. So again, this is Mitch with OMG Carpet Cleaning, Suwanee, Georgia today. We do commercial, residential, carpet, rug, upholstery, hardwoods. No per spot fees, no upsells, or hidden charges of any kind. 404-500-9853 or on the web at omgfloorcare.com. If you're looking to get into the lucrative carpet cleaning floor care business, we can set you up for that with that as well. Again, Mitch with OMG Floor Care, 404-500-9853 or on the web at omgfloorcare.com. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Take care, and again, be kind.